The new Prologic Element Quick Release rod pods are designed to give ultimate versatility while remaining stable, giving the angler the flexibility to adjust to different angling situations without carrying extra tackle. The screw-lock variable angle legs can be located in several different positions to tilt the pod how you need it, and the quick release buzz bar connectors allow you a very quick setup and the ability to change buzz bars in seconds. Alignment collars make getting your alarms and butt rests straight quick and easy. The legs and frame are fully adjustable via easy thumb levers, and the supplied long legs further the angler's ability to adapt to what they're faced with. So whether you're fishing huge inland seas or tackling flowing water, you can make it work for you. Available in 2, 3 or 4 rod versions, you can go from conventional rod pod setups to tips-up variations in no time. We've also included a handy anchor point for tying the pod down in rough conditions. For more information, check out the Prologic website or your local stockist.